Hello friends, today we are going to explore the yantra or blunt surgical instruments in Ayurveda. Acharya Shushruta described yantra or surgical blunt instruments in Yantra Vidhi Adhyaya, that is 7th chapter of Shushruta Sutrasthan. यंत्रम शल्यनाम हरनो उपाय तत्र मनः शरीर आबाद करानि शल्यानि तेषाम आहारन उपायो यंत्राणि means yantra are defined as any mechanism or process necessary to remove the shalya both from the body as well as human mind. Surgical instruments are the means of extracting shalya from its seat or place of infection. Now we have to understand what is shalya. According to Acharya Shushruta, any foreign material or extraneous substance which finds a lodgment and causing discomfort in sharir or man is termed as shalya. It could be trin, kasht, pashan, panshu, loha, lost, asthi, bal, nakh, puya, srav, dushtvrant and antah shalya. यंत्र शतम एकोत्तरम यंत्रों की संख्या 101 है अत्र हस्तमेव प्रधानतम यंत्राणाम जिनमें से हस्त को प्रधानतम यंत्र माना गया है टाइप्स ऑफ यंत्रा आर 6 तानि षट प्रकाराणि तद्यथा स्वस्तिक यंत्राणि संदंश यंत्राणि ताल यंत्राणि नाड़ी यंत्राणि शलाका यंत्राणि उपयंत्राणि च इति आचार्य Shushruta described 101 yantra or blunt surgical instruments in major 6 categories, that is swastik yantra 24 in number, sandans yantra 2 in number, tal yantra 2 in number, nadi yantra 20, shalaka yantra 28 and opi yantra 25 in number respectively. Now the dravya or material from which we can make yantra. Yantra are chiefly made up of iron or loha, but it could be substituted from any other suitable or similar substance if there is unavailability of the iron. For example, suvarna, tamra, rajat, dant, shring, vriksh, sutra, or any other material available. Shape or akar of the yantra are made up as per mouth of animals and it must resemble beaks of certain birds. Now the properties or gun of yantra. Samahitani yantrani khar selection mukhani cha sudhrani surupani sugrahani chakarya. Samhitani means it should be pramanbadh, neither too big nor too small in size. Khar selection mukhani cha. Mukh or edges should be made sharp and keen. Sudhrani, it must have durability, strength and steadiness. Surupani, yantra must be well shaped and beautiful. Sugrahani should be provided with convenient handles for an easy grip. Next is dosh of yantra. It is 12 in number. Yatra ati sthulam, too thick or clumsy. Asaram, made up of inferior material. Ati dirgham, too long. Ati hrisvam, too short. Agrahi, does not easily handled. Vishamgrahi, incapable of taking out the entire shalya, or it could break the shalya into various pieces, making it impossible to take it out. Vakra, uneven or curved in shape. Shithil, loosely fitted. Ati unnatam, which is having an elevated part. Mridukilam can be broken if force is applied on it or it is soft bolted. Mridu mukham, mouth of the instrument is soft, making it difficult to hold the foreign body. Mridupasham means poor grip. Yantra Karya are 24, that is Nirghatan, hammering, Puran, to fill the medicines in different cavities, Bandhan, bandaging of the fractures, dislocation and wounds, Vyuhan, approximation of the edges of the wound, Vartan is replacement, Chalan, moving of the retained foreign material, Vivartan, twisting, Vivaran, dilatation, Pedan is pressing, Marg Vishodhan, purifying of the passage by means of probing. Vikarshan, drying off, Aharan, attracting or extraction, Anchan, extension, Unnaman, elevation, Vinaman, depression, Bhanjan is crushing, Unmanthan, sounding, Ashyotan, suction, Asian, probing or exploration, Dharan, application of various late, Vijukaran is straightening, Prakshalan is washing, Pradhaman insufflation, and Pramarjan is cleansing. First variety of yantra is swastik yantra. They are also known as cruciform instruments as it represented by two plates crossing each other as we have seen in the fig. They are 24 in number and 18 angul in length. Their mouth should be made to resemble those of animals like lions, tigers, wolves, bears, cats, crows, jackals, vultures, etc. Swastik yantra are of two types. First class in which resembles mouth of lion or tiger, that is animal, and the another one which have likeness of faces of birds. Two blades or halves of a swastik yantra should be welded together by means of a bolt resembling a Masur Matru keel. They are slightly bent like an ankush or hook as its handle so as to get good grasp. Uses Asthi Vidishta Shalya Udhanartham Updishyante means retained body up to the bone can be extracted by means of swastik yantra. These yantra used in extracting any thorn or foreign material stuck hard in the bone. Next variety is Sandansh yantra, also known as pincer instruments or forceps. It is of two types, Sanigraha, one with a catch, and Anigraha without a catch. Length must be 16 angul. It is used for Kakma Sirasnayugas Shalya Udhanartham, means used for extracting any foreign material stuck up in the skin, veins, tendons, and muscles. It is also useful for extracting small foreign bodies and eyelashes as in pityuses. Kali yantra are spoon-shaped instruments. Length is 12 angul. Two types. First is ektal, single spoon shape, and dvital, double spoon shape. They resemble palate or talu of a fish in shape. Used for karnanasanadi shalyanam aharanam, means for extracting foreign bodies from the nose, ears, and external channels or passages of the body. Nadi yantra. These are tubular or hollow instruments. Their width, perimeter vary as per size, shape, etc. of the srotas of human body into which they are intended to be introduced. They are total 20 in number and has many types and many functions. They can be ekmukhi with one opening or dvimukhi with two openings. Use of Nadi yantras. Useful for looking into body parts, recognizing foreign bodies and disease localized in the srotas of the deeper tissues, for facilitating treatments and for sucking out the retained material. Various examples of Nadi yantra are Bhagandar yantra, Vran yantra, Arsho yantra, Basti yantra, Uttar Basti yantra, मूत्र वृद्धि यंत्र, तपोदर यंत्र, धूम यंत्र, निरुद्ध प्रकर्ष यंत्र, सन्निरुद्ध गुद यंत्र, अलाबु यंत्र और श्रृंग यंत्र। Shalaka yantra are rod-like instruments having many types, shapes with many functions. Length and width are varies according to the purpose for which they are used. Total numbers are 28 and total types are 12. Gandupudmukhi Shalaka are 2 in number. Sarpafandmukhi 2. Sharpankmukhi 2. Vadishmukhi 2. Masoor Dal Matra Mukhi or ear scoops are 2 in number. Kapaskrit Ushnishmukhi, that is cotton buds for cleaning, are 6 in number. Dravyakriti, Jambavadan, Ankushvadan are 3 in number. Kolasthi Dalmatramukhi, 1 in number. Anjanar, 1 in number. Mutramarg Vishodhini, 1 in number. Upayantra are accessory instruments or minor surgical instruments which are used when yantras are not available. They are total 25 in number. They are used judicially based on the assessment of the disease and the patient. Some examples of Upayantra are Raju or rope, that is thread smeared with caustics, or it can be a Shar Sutra. Venika or braided hair ligature applied to arrest the circulation of blood as tourniquet. Pattu for protecting wounds and for wrapping around fractured bones. Charm used on abdomen after paracentesis in ascites. Antarvalkal, the inner part of the tree bark, kept on fractured parts and tied. Lata used in sarpadansh as tourniquet. Vastra for covering and protecting wounds. Ashtila or hard stone used for extracting out the shell. Mudgar, pani, pattal, palms of the hands used for compression and traction in the case of orthopedic injuries. Anguli or finger is used for anrectal examination. Jivha, it is used for extracting shell stuck in the teeth. Dant, nakh, mukh, bal, ashwakantak or shak. Following acts are performed for removing shell like Steven, Ayaskan, Shar, Agni, Thashaj. Now some important point regarding yantra. Prashastra yantra is whichever is 18 angul in shape, that is swastik yantra. Pradhan yantra is Kankamukhi yantra. It is because they can be inserted and taken out without any difficulty and also are capable of extracting out the foreign bodies with greatest ease and comfort and could be used to all parts of the human body. Pradhantam yantra is thus as none of the yantra can be handled without it, and also in the absence of any yantra we can use only Hast as the prime yantra. This is all about the yantra. The most important part is how to choose different yantra for extraction of different types of foreign bodies. Shell, which are visible to the naked eye, should be extracted with the help of Singhamuk or lion mouth instruments, while those which cannot be seen or invisible should be removed with the help of Kankamukhi instruments. Thank you for patient listening. Take care.